A little nougat for some of those who are interested. How do we use gitignore for Python? Where do we start? Where do we find what should be in there? And there's a lot of new things here for you. But if we start, the first thing we need to do is right click here, create a new file, similar to the .m, but to this one we call gitignore. And then you might wonder what to add here. So when you're first starting out, you might not know what kind of things to add. So if you go to Google and type in GitHub, Python, and gitignore, you see something up here, and this comes from a repository that has a collection of useful .gitignore templates, and this one will take us directly there. But I just want to show you from here, and then here I could Control F, and we get this filter button. We can find something. I'll search for Python, and then enter, and it takes us after 2 times. There it is, Python gitignore. There we have what we could add. So I'll press on, can we copy raw file? Let's see what happens when I do that. PyCharm, and there we go. There we have it. And to verify this works, you could create your Git repository on terminal. You can click here, you can click on the commit tab, create Git repository, and just select the existing directory. And if we look here, we see .env is not ignored, but we see .venv is. So what we'll do, we'll come up here, we'll type in .env, and press Ctrl S. It should no longer be added. And we see, why are you not ignored? Add a star there. Why are you not getting ignored? And let's go. If I restart it, now it's gone. Okay, that's interesting. It was a bit slow. Life on Windows is interesting. Anyhow, let's set ID files. We can call that, and here we can set sensitive files. So we document why we've done it. And then we can just add all of these and say initial commits. And then later we'll create a remote repository and share that in the description. Have a good time.